Spinny, spin, 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 ocean. And Dean. And me. And a raft that looks kind of like a Viking boat. Kind of. And some nasty beard here. Property of Mr. John Crawford. And it's going in the raft to be disposed of as he wished it to be. As he said, it must be destroyed.
Yeah, and yeah, we've got no audio. The thing died on us, sadly. But oh well, we are doing our best now to recoup our losses.
Yes. So the reason why we are disposing of said furriness is because it is Dean's mourning beard that was shaved off, and today is the 1 year anniversary of the big earthquake that happened in Christchurch on the 4th of September. And Dean really doesn't have a pyrotechnic gene in his body, so
I was working hard to make this thing go, but Marina loves the fire.
Yep.
That was her idea. She was like, we're going to burn the beard.
I brought the meths, so it should work now, because
it didn't want to light, although
Dean was frightened of it, and there she goes.
And you say it bubbles.
Yeah, it was actually bubbling when it was burning, and it smelt quite bad, which I'm assuming is the 181 days worth of food and grease and disgustingness that you accumulated.
It was a pretty beard, I miss it.
And off she goes, kind of.
And then I had to come in and kind of butt it a little bit because it didn't want to do its thing.
Typical impatient male, couldn't just let nature take its course here to interfere. But it was burning really good.
Yeah, look at the fire!
It was
Fire!
And we're sorry about the toxic fumes that were released into the atmosphere.
Yeah, we offset it by planting a tree.
Yes. Probably plant several trees, actually. Would be a good thing. Trees are good.
So, a bit more pushing. A bit more pushing. Come on.
But I must say, the fact that the raft held together, and despite being on fire, I think is quite a good testament to my raft building abilities.
Yeah, you did a really good job. It was an awesome raft.
And it's all naturally biodegradable materials, recyclable and everything.
So, yeah, 1 year on, and we're still going strong here in Christchurch. Thanks for watching. And here's the morning beard going out to sea.
Bon voyage!